Hi there, I'm Lisa Hargraves, and I'm going to tell you about my game Health Capture, a race to 100 HP. Health Capture is a game using standard deck of playing cards and some D&D dice. Each player uses a D4 and a D6 to determine how many points of HP they gain each round, and they use the D100 pair of dice to keep track of their current health. The D20 is used at the beginning of the game, and it's also used by the Joker card. To set up the game, cards are dealt to each player. They roll a d20 to find out how many extra hit points they get to start with. They set their hit points using the D100, and the player who played the video game least recently gets to go first. On each player's turn, they start by rolling a d4, and that's how many cards they get to play that hand. If they roll a 1 and they have a joker, there's some special rules. They can use the joker to steal hit points from another player. They'll roll the d20, and that's the number of hit points they steal from the player. Otherwise, they choose the number of cards to play based on the d4 roll. And once they've chosen their cards, they roll a d6, and they divide the total of their cards by the value on the d6. And they're going to round up. After they figure out how many hit points they've earned, they update their d100, and then they draw cards to get back to 10 cards in their hand. This game uses the full deck of playing cards, including the 2 jokers. The point values for the cards, for 2 through 10, are the number on the card, and face cards, jacks, queens, kings, and aces, are worth 20 points if they're played alone. That's if the player rolls a 1 on their d4, and if they're played with any other cards, they're only worth 1 point. The jokers are a special card that can only be played when the player rolls a 1 on their d4. They choose a player, and then they roll a d20, and the player they've chosen loses that health, and the player who played the joker gains that health. Here's an example of a game in progress and a sample round. It's Quinn's turn, and Quinn has 57 HP. You can see that by the 50 and the 7 on their D100 dice. Quinn rolls a D4 to determine how many cards they get to play. They roll a 3, and so they choose 3 cards from their hand, a 10, an 8, and a 7. Then Quinn rolls a D6 to determine what to divide their points by, and they get a 4. The total of the cards they're playing is 25, 10 plus 8 plus 7. They divide 25 by 4 from the D6, which is 6.25. They round up to get 7. So they add 7 hit points to their total, putting them at 64 HP. Then Quinn draws 3 cards to get her hand back up to 10 cards. Now it's Arturo's turn, and Arturo has 65 hit points. They roll a d4 and they get a 1. And they have a joker in their hand. Arturo decides that they are going to steal hit points from Quinn. So Arturo rolls a d20, and they get a 12. Quinn subtracts 12 from their current hit points, putting them to 52 hit points. And Arturo adds 12 to their current hit points, putting them to 77 hit points. Arturo draws 1 card to get their hand back up to 10 cards. And that is 1 round of gameplay for a 2-player game. The game ends when the player gets 100 or more hit points. As gameplay continues, the draw deck will run out, and all of the cards that were previously played can be shuffled back into the deck to be able to allow the game to continue. In order to change the game, either make it longer or shorter, the target hit points can be adjusted higher or lower, and you can also change the number of cards in the hand depending on how many players you have. Some additional points to add complexity to the game. If a player is playing more than 1 card and their total is higher than 20, they automatically lose 5 hit points. Another option is the number rolled on the d4 is the maximum number of cards that the player can play, meaning that they could play fewer than the number shown on the d4. And for every additional deck of cards, 4 additional players can be added to the game. Gameplay continues until 1 player gets 100 hit points or higher. There are some ways to modify the rules to make the game easier, shorter or more difficult. Those will be detailed on this slide. This game is great for students and younger players who are learning to add or divide. The rules for the Joker can be modified as described here, and students who are learning to add and don't know how to divide can use the table below to look at their divide by number in the first column and their point range in the body of the table to find the number of hit points in the top row that they earn. Thanks for watching my presentation on Help Capture the Race to 100 HP.